Then adding the tummy tuck turns regular exercise and diet into being 2 times more effective at burning away belly fat. That's right. In a university study compared to just exercise and diet alone, adding the tummy tuck almost doubled the amount of tummy fat lost. And because the tummy tuck jump starts the fat burning chain reaction, there's no...
The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Cleburne County in north-central Arkansas, White County in central Arkansas, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:34 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Pangern, or 13 miles north of Searcy, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Searcy, Bald Knob, Judsonia, Kensick, Higginson, Pangern, West Point, Crosby, Hurricane Lake Wildlife Management Area, Step Rock, Pryor, McRae, Garner, Latona, Griffithville, Albion, Hickory Flat, Vinity Corner, Dewey, Sidon.
I've never seen results like this before. From week to week, you start to see the difference, and you start to feel the difference in your clothes.